So I'm here with Tony O from Silverstone, and he's been kind enough to show me around some of the cool products they got this year at Computex 2008. Let's have a closer look, shall we, Tony?
Sure.
So Tony, what is this that you're holding at the moment?
This is our new sideshow device. It's called the MFP52. What you can do with this is you can use this as a remote control for your computer. For example, I have an Outlook, maybe not Outlook, but a PowerPoint file open over there. So I go here to PowerPoint gadgets. It's okay. I can see I have this file here open. I press into it. Then this will start the PowerPoint presentation that I have already saved.
Now, how is it? This unit's connected via Bluetooth, is that correct?
That's right.
What type of range does it have?
It's about regular 10-meter range, which is typical.
It's typical Bluetooth, yes.
So I can preview. Once I'm in the PowerPoint gadget, I can preview the next slideshow before I move on the slideshow for everyone else.
Oh, that's neat, yeah.
And if I'm ready to go on to the next page, I'll have to just press right button here. And you can see I've gone to the next page. And I can go back and forth between different pages. I can even jump ahead several pages by going to go to slide. And you can see I can go directly to page 10, for example.
And it pops up there on the screen?
Yep.
Now that's directly interfaced. Now, what type of software is required to operate this on a normal PC?
All you need is a Windows Vista.
Right.
And obviously, with the PowerPoint gadget, it's something that we include with the product on CD. So we give you some basic gadgets that you can use right away after you purchase
Now,
this.
when is this product going to be available?
We're shipping this product at the end of this month, June.
And rough cost? Do you know how much it's going to cost us yet?
This is one of the very first sideshow products, but the volume is very low.
Right.
It's almost like a developer type of product.
Right, okay. So
we expect this to be very expensive at first. We're targeting at around $250 US.
Okay, not as bad as I expected actually.
Okay, it comes with a Bluetooth dongle, USB Bluetooth dongle, so if you don't have Bluetooth on your computer, you can still use it. It will also come with an aluminium stand.
Right.
I don't have it on the show here, but it's going to look really nice on your desktop.
Excellent. It's awesome. So what else we've got to have a look at here? Let's go and have a look at some of the other products, shall we?
Sure.
Okay, so what is this stealth little case down here? What have we got here?
This looks like an HTPC or home theater PC.
Yes, that's right, I thought it was.
Yeah, we really designed this for home theater, that's right, but it's not actually a PC case. It's a hard drive enclosure.
Okay.
So if I open this door here on the front, you can see it has 5 spaces for hard drive racks. So I can take this out, change different hard drives. It has a RAID controller inside, so you can do RAID 5, RAID 10, 0, 1.
Wow.
It's connected via the PC with the eSATA connection. So this is a great solution for those.
So you can have like 5 1 terabyte hard drives in there for a lot of music and movie storage, right?
Yeah, you're right.
Excellent.
And because it's eSATA, it's really fast, so it's perfect for storing high definition videos and films.
That's awesome. Right. What's the name of this product?
It's called a DS352.
A DS352. I'm going to look for that one. So the other thing that Silverstone do is ATX cases. Is that right, Tony?
That's right. Yeah, before we had the TJ07, which was famous for being the first ATX chassis to utilize what we call unit body construction. Right. What it basically means is that the top panel, front panel, and the bottom panel is one single piece of extruded aluminium.
Wow. So that wouldn't be easy to make, would it?
No, it was very hard. It took us a month to perfect the technique for manufacturing.
Right.
So at first the TJ07 was a very big, large extended ATX tower. So many people had asked us to do a smaller version of the case.
Right.
Unfortunately, we weren't able to do that at first because of the manufacturing. It's very low volume product. So now that we have perfected it after about 2 years of making it, we have more experience. So we're coming out with this new FT01, the new Fortress series. That's based on the unibody design.
Now, what's the major benefit of a unibody design?
Well, as you can see, with the unibody design, we have less parts.
Right.
Also, because it's one piece, it's very strong structure. rigidity is great, even without the side panel on. This is
Right.
stiff.
Awesome. So,
And it looks great too.
You've also got a little fan there in the front of the case. I just noticed that. It's going to get.
Not really a little. It's
It's a tiny fan, isn't it? What size is that?
it's a 180 millimeter fan.
180 millimeter.
Yeah, and there's two of them. Actually.
Wow.
So one in the front,
One on top there.
one on top.
That's some serious cooling, isn't it?
This is actually the best air cool case we've ever had.
Wow. And how loud are those fans?
They're very quiet. They spin at only 700 RPM.
Okay, so it's all about size rather than speed, right?
Yes.
Excellent. That's one very cool product.
It's, it should be popular, and hopefully the price will come in close to around 200 for mostly aluminum design.
Awesome. And is it available on the market yet, or coming
Not
soon?
yet, in about 1 or 2 months.
1 or 2 months. Definitely look forward to that one.
Yep.
So we've got the side of the Raven here. What can you tell us about this gorgeous case?
Well, as you can see, the motherboard is positioned very different from what you've seen before with ATX tower cases.
Wow. Okay.
You can see the motherboard's rotated 90 degrees, so all the connectors are now on top as opposed to in the back.
Right. So what's the reason for positioning the motherboard like that?
Well, we thought, heat rises. Everyone knows this. So,
Obvious.
what's the best way to get all the heated air to go up on top?
Right.
Obviously, most cases have it toward the back. So we decided to turn that around, and this also allowed us to put two 180 millimeter fan on the bottom. So it helps natural convection of the airflow going up, and if you give it a little push like we did here with fans on bottom and on top, the cooling should be excellent.
Awesome. Now again, when is this product going to be available?
This should be available sometime in September.
In September. So this is really an alpha engineering design?
This is actually our second T2 prototype.
T2 prototype. Awesome. And obviously focused at the enthusiast level user.
As you can see from the styling.
Yeah. Excellent. This is the front panel of the Raven. Thanks a lot for your time there, Tony. It's awesome products you've got here at Silverstone. It's Computex 2008.
Hey, thank you for coming. We're very happy to show you.